When you're on the hunt for a Python Django developer, you're not just looking for a coder, you're seeking a visionary who can bring your web applications to life. Django, renowned for its scalability and speed, is the framework of choice for content-rich sites and has powered over 77,278 sites to date. But what makes a Django developer truly exceptional? Firstly, technical prowess is non-negotiable. A Python Django developer must be well-versed in various versions, frameworks, libraries, and languages. They should have a solid grasp of object-oriented concepts, RESTful APIs, and front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Advanced computer science concepts and mathematical packages are also part of their arsenal, enabling them to tackle complex problems with precision. Beyond technical skills, problem-solving is key. You want a developer who can navigate challenges and meet deadlines with efficiency. Leadership qualities are equally important, as they'll likely collaborate across business verticals, from SEO to content production. The ability to delegate and manage input from diverse teams is crucial for a seamless workflow. Critical thinking allows a developer to anticipate future issues and craft solutions that not only meet but exceed client expectations. Communication is just as vital. After all, Python developers often work in teams, and the ability to share ideas and feedback is essential for project success. Python developers wear many hats. They may serve as web developers, writing server-side logic and crafting reusable code. As automated testing engineers, they design frameworks and troubleshoot code issues. Analysts and data scientists delve into data, sharing insights and creating predictive models. Machine learning engineers and software engineers round out the team, each with their own set of responsibilities that drive innovation and efficiency. When hiring, create a detailed job offer that reflects the skills and experience needed. Assess candidates' understanding of core Python concepts and front-end technologies. Don't shy away from outsourcing to find the right fit, and prioritize candidates with strong communication skills. Avoid common pitfalls like hiring based on cost alone or neglecting to verify credentials. Ensure candidates have the required experience and consider looking beyond local talent. Remember, a thorough technical assessment can make all the difference in finding the right Python Django developer for your team.